Easily wire transfer money to Bank of America. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a domestic wire transfer using Bank of America's online banking. So first, log into your Bank of America account, hover over the Transfer Zelle tab and click to or from other banks. If it's your first time, click Add Account Recipient. You will need to verify your identity using a secured mobile number or USB security key. Now, enter the recipient's name, address, wire routing number, and account type. Then click Add Account. Select the account that you're sending money from, then choose the recipient's account. Enter the amount and select Same Business Day. Wire transfer for delivery speed. Review your transfer details and click Make Transfer. You will receive a confirmation email once the transfer is processed. And that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.